Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stephanie. I feel like this light is so bright because I'm not recording in my normal areas. Let me see if I can turn this light. I'm trying to accommodate myself. And I feel like I have a dark shadow. I can't win. It's whatever. So, as the video says, this is how I remove my glitter from my eyes. So, I've been doing a lot of glitter, and one of the things that has been a troublesome for me is when glitter spreads. That has been my ultimate. I'm not singing. I'm talking. What? I'm not singing. My son wants my attention, so we're gonna do this fast as heck. I'm stuck at home at 8 months pregnant. I have another month to go. I'm just stuck. I'm not ready to give birth. And I am officially taking off work. I have nothing else to do. So I was like, let me sit down and record. I haven't done that in a while and I miss doing it. So I always said I didn't have time to do it. Now I'm like, well, I don't have time to do it now. I have time to do it now. So here I go. So yeah, I've been doing a lot of looks with glitter lately on my Instagram. And one of the things that I've been playing around with is just, like I said, glitter. And once I'm done with it, I've been trying to take it off in the best way possible, and then it just spreads and it looks gross. So if you're having that problem, this is how I remove it without all the spreading. It kind of isolates it to where it doesn't really move. It just stays. So what I did was I know this is gonna sound a little funny, but I realized, and I think I read this somewhere. I'm not gonna say I just totally thought of this somewhere. I just don't remember where I read it from, but they said if you have an oil-based product, it helps trap the glitter. So that's what I said. You know, let me just test the theory out. And I just take Johnson's Baby Oil Gel, and this is my shea butter one. And I use this, like I said, it locks in. So it locks it in. So what I do is I put it on a cotton swab first. And it helps trap it into my eye. And it's a lifesaver for me. Even though it adds an extra step to my wash, I'd rather do this than anything else. So, yeah, we're just gonna get started. So like I said, when you contemplate if you want to take your wig off or not, and you're just like, forget it, I don't want to, we're just gonna brush it back. Brush it back. I should take a picture like this. No, I'm playing. So I'm just gonna take some lashes. Alright, this lash off first. I just gotta remember to put that back where I found it. Left eye. So, like I said, I just take this, squeeze it. I take and rub it on there, rub it around, and I need my mirror because I can't see myself. Okay, so then I just take and trap it. Let it sit there for a couple of minutes. Not a couple of minutes, actually it just takes a couple of seconds, really. So how y'all doing? We're supposed to get snow tomorrow, and I'm not excited at all about the snow mess. I stay in the Midwest, and you think I'll be used to snow crap. My friend's so lucky. She got out of it when she could. So yeah, I just take now, and I just take and pinch. Not really pinch, but yeah. Just brush it. So even though it didn't spread like it spread a little bit, but not as much as I normally would get. Darn it. This is what happens when I can't see. So. Normally I get a lot more fallout than that. And because I can't really see myself, it's not really doing what I wanted to do. But then I take my 3-in-1 micro cleansing water, dab it on, and I use this to get rid of the rest of it. I'm not really a fan of, like I said, multiple step things, but this time I'm going to show you guys multiple steps. So that's when I go into cleaning my face. I don't want to take my brow off yet. I'm just going to take half of it. And I'm going to take my Ole Lumras. I'm just washing my face. Just gonna wash my face, you know. And then usually this I take up to my eye, get whatever it is off. So I'm not gonna say how I remove my glitter. I'm just gonna say my makeup in general. Got my wig. This is like so much harder when I'm at my bathroom. Power makeup, how I removed, except my brow. So now I totally feel naked. So yeah, that's how I remove my glitter and makeup off my face, so it doesn't really leave a residue of glitter like that. And then after this, I'll just take a what do I use? Pregnant Brain, what the freak? A toner to my face, and I'll usually use toner, but for some reason my toner is not in my arm's reach right now. But yeah, usually when I do that, and then I follow up with my lotion. Cetaphil actually works pretty good too to clean your face with. I'm actually out of Cetaphil. I need to get some more. I'm like out of a lot of crap because I hate to walk. My son is totally laughing at Ice Age, but yeah, because I hate to walk, I'm just not doing it. So I need to order it off Amazon and do delivery that way. So, but anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. I know it's really short. It happens. I'm sorry. Just wanted to show you guys this one, and I'll come back with some more. He's really laughing his butt off out there. But anyway, yeah, this is how the finished product looks. My son is really laughing at Ice Age right now. I am so sorry. So yeah, this is what I do to get the glitter and makeup off my face. It doesn't leave a big residue. I don't have a residue. Like I said, I just got tired of having residue left on my face of glitter, and I figured this is how I should do it. And I've had no problems with this lately. So, and my skin's ever breaking out because of being pregnant. So if you guys like it, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, like it, and subscribe. And I will see you guys later, my loves. Bye-bye. I look like the face of a Batman.